install the mop pads onto your LG CordZero A9 stick vacuum, do the following. Take 2 of the 4 mop pads that came with your unit. Wet the mop pads with water. Wetting the mop pads allows you to start mopping immediately, instead of waiting for the water supply to saturate the pads. Squeeze the mop pads to remove excess water. Align the center of the mop pad with the center of the mop plate with the gray side of the mop pad facing up. Turn over the mop attachment and press the push button to separate the water tank. On each side of the water tank is a cap. Open one cap on the side of the water tank. Fill the water cup provided to the appropriate fill level. Fill the water tank to the max line. Properly close the side of the water tank using the cap. Reinsert the water tank and push down until it clicks. Press the single or double droplet icon option to adjust the water flow settings. To turn the water off, toggle the button to the stop position. Do not clean coated, rough, or delicate floating floors or any kind of carpet with the mop nozzle. You can now use your LG CordZero A9 stick vacuum to mop the floor. Caution: do not use detergent or any liquid other than water in the tank. To prevent product damage, set the water adjustment button to stop when dry mopping, when not in use, or when carrying the mop nozzle. After use, remove the mop pads. If the water supply outlet is blocked by foreign substances, such as lime contained in the water, pierce it with a sharp pin. Remove the water tank. Empty the tank and rinse thoroughly with warm water. Clean the mop pads thoroughly by hand, using mild detergent and warm water. Allow the pads and tank to dry completely, at least 24 hours, in a well-ventilated area out of direct sunlight. Storing the parts while they are damp may cause odors. Set the vacuum back onto the charging station. When not in use, store the mop attachment and mop pads onto the charging station.